Thank you all for joining. Again, I am welcoming if any teacher or any colleague out of math department, outside math department, want to give some suggestions regarding this 2 days webinar, so that we can apply them in our future days. Otherwise, we will proceed further. Okay, then. Thank you, everyone. So now I want to welcome Mr. Rasniranjan Sahu. So somehow we can say the talented member of our math department, to give the thank you address for this today's webinar. So Rasmi sir. Rasmi sir, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, it is here. We can hear you.
Okay. Sir. Good afternoon to all. Esteemed principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear students. Good afternoon to all. First of all, I am feeling a proud privilege because I have a chance to speak something in this 2 days webinar, and I have the opportunity to offer a vote of thanks. First of all, I am very much thankful to our beloved principal sir, because he gave us a chance to organize such type of webinar program, and he also actively participated in this 2 days program 100%. Totally he involved, spent much more time with us. He spent time with us, and he also gives some suggestions to us. Thank you, sir. Then I am also thankful to our department teachers for guiding students to organize such type of webinar program. And I am also thankful to our sir, Jiban Jyoti sir, for organizing and coordinating such type of webinar program. I want to share here one thing. When I am a student, sometimes now I am sometimes feeling jealous about my students, because they have a chance to be a student of this Tata Devi Joda, and they have the opportunity to share their feelings and share their experience with their teachers, and they have the chance to get some ideas from their teachers. When we are the students, we don't have such type of guidance from the teachers. Only teachers' effort is not sufficient to for the development and growth of a student. Also, students' efforts are required. So I am also thankful to our students, because they also provide also the same type of effort from them sides also. Then yesterday, in which way Shivam Sai represented the art integration, that means the literature part related with our mathematics. Love yourself. What an excellent job done by the Shivam. I never expected such type of literature thing from a student. If I will say honestly, then some words are till now is not to my level. So very good, excellent job by Shivam. Not only by Shivam, all other students performed well. Very excellent job. हिंदी में एक बात है, जैसे बड़े बड़े के साथ खड़े होकर बात करना चाहिए. So such type of excellent, and I cannot explain what level they are now. I know about the Google when I am in +2 first year. At that situation, I remember that at that time I know about the Google. But now the students of standard 9 and 10, in a brilliant way and excellent way, they can prepare PowerPoint presentation, and they explain in such a way that we cannot achieve to that level till now. So I am thankful to all the students for their continuous effort. Keep it up. And when we will in our what is the importance of mathematics in our daily life situation, many teachers and students are explaining it, so I think don't need to explain more. Generally, if you think about daily life situation, when we are going for a shopkeeper shop, a vegetable market, we can guess that in which way they are counting. They can find out the price, what is the cost for a substance in 300 gram, 700 gram. They can easily ask to you, which is a very difficult thing to for such type of educated people to find out if 1 kg of sugar is 50 rupees, then what is the cost of 300 gram. We will think for some time. But the young man working in the shopkeeper, he can easily ask to you what is the cost. If you will say to the shopkeeper, give me the sugar of 20 rupees, then can he estimate what is the in 20 rupees how much amount of sugar you will get, and he will give you. So it is only due to about the practice. Mathematics is just like a practice. So Shakuntala Devi, the Indian mathematician, mental mathematician, he already well known. She said that what is mathematics? Now, mathematics is just a systematic effort to solving problems posed by nature. So it is depends upon the practice. When you practice more, then you can improve your mathematics skill. And when someone asked to a mathematics teacher, can you teach a illiterate student mathematics? He said that yes, I can do it, because mathematics we can teach the mathematics verbally. So to know the mathematics, it does not need to admit in a popular or reputed school, or register your name with such type of brilliant web teaching institution. No need to. Only practice, and verbally we can also teach the students, and verbally they can accept the what is the mathematical problem solving methods are there. Okay. Then I also thankful to our other teachers. They also spent the valuable time with us, and I am also thankful to teachers of the Department of Mathematics. At last, not least, I also thankful to our students to maintaining discipline in this program and gaining knowledge. Thank you to all. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Rashmi sir, for such a interesting vote of thanks. So now, how can we forget? So we will go for national anthem. How we can forget our motherland? So let us give our respect to our motherland with national anthem. So let us stand with me for the national anthem. Kindly wait with me for so that I can share the screen.
गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जय 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 हे.
Thank you all. So before concluding, I will welcome our principal sir for the last word.
Yes, first of all, big congratulations to the Department of Mathematics, and The students, no doubt, they are the real heroes of this. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So the very outset, I would like to congratulate the Department of Mathematics for organizing and giving such a nice platform to our students. And the real heroes of this event, that is our students, they have come up with exceptionally well to accept this challenge. And I know once we accept the challenge, creation starts. And I have seen today all the presenters, they have really created a new benchmark for themselves. And now only the way they will move forward and lead further. So it's a good thing. And I expect very shortly the other subject teachers like SST, Science, English, Hindi, those department will also come forward with this kind of platform. And dear students, be ready whenever any challenge or any opportunity comes, don't leave it, because you have enormous possibilities. Don't take it as a problem. Every time if you take if you take the challenge as a possibility, you will find lot of inner hidden qualities of yours which can be bring it out. So now, once again, I congratulate all the students of class 9 and 10. And I hope in coming future, we will see many more talented students, and maybe it is a mathematical temper or scientific temper or literary part we want to see. And we know that the support of teacher is always there, so you can easily grow and get the best out of the world, and you will enjoy your journey. Thank you, Jeevan sir. Thank you, Department of Mathematics, and all the students. God bless you all.
So thank you all to be a part of this today's webinar, and thanks to God that we have completed this today's webinar without a much difficulties. So thank you all. Thanks for joining.